do?
Hey, this is Ivan Misner with unforgettable.com, and I'm here with a longtime friend, Eric Edmeades. Eric and I have known each other for, I don't know, 15, 20 years. I mean, it's been probably 20 because it was before TLC. We're actually at a Transformational Leadership Council meeting in Colorado. We're both members. But Eric wants to talk about speaking, which is critical for business people, particularly people in BNI, learning how to do good presentations. Eric?
Yeah, I think speaking, I mean, obviously it's a big professional upgrade, but it's really a massive networking upgrade. So, I mean, I've learned a great deal about networking from you, obviously. And so I know what to do when I have to go pitch myself or talk to people. But what I've noticed is if I go to a conference and I go to meet people and I'm a little introverted, I might not meet that many. But if I get booked to speak and I create value, I meet everyone and they remember me. So I think getting over our discomfort about public speaking and develop some basic skills can really, really magnify networking and business opportunities.
And practice, don't you think? I mean, for me, it was practice, practice, practice. You just got to put yourself out there and do some presentation so you feel comfortable.
Yeah, a lot of times people feel like they're like nervous of public speaking, and it's like they forget that almost everything we do at first, I mean, you learn Spanish, the first little while you're a bit nervous about it, but there comes a point where it really slips into a gorgeous comfort. And as I say, from a business perspective, there's no more powerful accelerator.
Can I say, for those of you watching this, I still get nervous before I go up and speak. I mean, I spoke here at TLC. I was nervous before I went up and speak. I take the nerves and use it, the adrenaline, to then really be on when I'm on stage. So don't let nervousness stop you. Use it to do a great job.
Yeah.
Anything else?
I think it's exactly right. Just as Ivan said, like, just practice, find places to share a message, even telling a story at a dining room table. Those little opportunities help to make things better.
And you've got something coming up. We're going to put a little special that's going to be written here in writing in the blog. I'd highly recommend Eric's program. He's fantastic. He's a great speaker. This is Ivan with unforgettable.com. Thanks for watching.